All right. What can I help you with?
So I wanted to see if I can how to use well, first of all, how to use the calculator, and if I can give this customer the higher monthly payment.
All right.
Um, yeah.
Let's check it out. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Perfect. So this is a seller financing deal, right?
Yes.
All right. So all I need you to do is give me the numbers that Deal Sniper gave you. So what is the Deal Sniper purchase price?
Okay. The deal's number per purchase price is okay. So it's going to be 250,000.
All right. And the seller finance amount?
230,000.
All right. So that would be $20,000 down payment. And what's the rent for this property?
The rent is 1,584.
All right. So we'll just go 1,600. And what are the taxes and insurance?
That one's going to be insurance 895.
Okay. And the insurance?
Oh, there's two separate. So not the total PITI.
No. So if you look on Deal Sniper, hold on, I'll show you.
So the taxes a year per year is 1,622, and the
Got it.
insurance is 945.
Perfect. Okay. So Deal Sniper gave you what monthly payment to give to them initially? Was it 700?
Yes.
Okay. And they want more. Did they say how much more they want?
No.
Okay. So at 700, this deal yields a 17.93 cash on cash return. That's pretty good. So all I'm going to do to figure out what my max is I'm going to keep increasing this payment until that number is 10%. And this will give me my max. So I'm just going to go up in increments of 100. So what if we did 800? Okay, it's 14. What if we did 900? That's 11. We're getting close. Now we're going 950. 950 is too much. 925. Yeah, you're probably looking at about $935. So, yeah, 930. So, at $930 a month, this will yield the buyer, the investor, a 10% cash on cash return, which is our minimum. So anytime you want to figure out, well, what's the most I can give them? All you do is keep increasing this number until that gets to just about 10%. Because anything less than 10, we can't move it. I mean, we can, but it's probably not going to sell. So if I were to go, let's say $1,000, that's a nice round number. I like it. Yeah, that drops that way too low.
Yeah.
I would stick to about 900. I mean, you can go up the extra $30 if you want to, but 900 is going to be your max. But that's also part of the reason why I would always ask when a realtor says, can we get more of a down payment? I mean, it's possible. How much more were your seller's looking for? That way you have some idea of what you're working with. Same thing with the monthly payment. Hey, we want more of a monthly payment. Okay, well, how much more were you looking for? And then you give them the explanation as to why in case they ask for too much.
Oh,
So
okay.
my answer would be, if you saw on the Discord, the monthly payment is what it is because our investors are only going to buy this if it can cash flow. And their cash flow, I mean, on this property is already only $4,000 a year. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
That's also part of the reason why we offer them so much over asking, even on a property that's been listed for so long.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Does that kind of fill in that gap a little bit, answer that question as to how we get that?
Yes.
So in this situation, if he's not willing to take an extra $200 a month, and you have to tell him, look, man, they can't cash flow. They can't cash flow. There's no incentive for them to buy it. They're just going to move on to another property. And I don't want to waste your time, Mr. Seller. I don't want to waste my time by putting a property under contract that I know I can't move. That's why I present you with offers that I know I can move.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Awesome. Was that your only question?
Yes, for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anytime you need to jump on a one-on-one, they're free. You know what I mean? I've heard a lot of other people say, how much is it for, like, I don't charge for that. If you need help, you need help. You know what I mean?
You. All right.
Perfect. You have a good rest of your day.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.